Hello guys, this is Jonathan Winder and this is AEP 855 Mod 8, Leading with a Moral Compass. What is a moral compass? It is a set of personal values that guide our decision making. These values reside in our heart and have been formed over our lifetime. According to Zittman, a moral compass helps us define what kind of behavior is right and wrong in our lives. It provides a set of core values that help guide your decisions throughout your life. A moral compass could be developed for the purpose of finding a balance in diversity and be employed as the guiding norm for good behavior. Look at 5 reasons we need a moral compass. Number 1 is to ground your identity. Number 2 is to protect the greater good. Number 3 is to increase self-confidence. Number 4 is to be a good role model. And number 5 is to foster healthy relationships. I really think 4 and 5 are kind of key here in these 5. What shapes your moral compass? Core values you have in your heart that have been formed over a lifetime. Examples: integrity, family, kindness, and fairness. The one that kind of sticks with me is values we were raised with, from Beccaro 2012. And I really think that's kind of where my moral compass starts. Next, your compass is shaped by various religious, societal, and experiential forces. It should retain some core principles like seeking peace and integrity. Moral emotions like guilt, shame, anger, gratitude, sympathy, and compassion all motivate people to do the right thing. Using your moral compass. The most important part of the moral compass is using it. It needs to be used to make ethical decisions that are guided from the values in our moral compass. And kind of what I've gathered from the last several assignments is one person's moral compass may not point in the same direction as another's as far as right and wrong are concerned. I think we each perceive things differently, and I think people want something that's bad to one person may not be that bad to someone else, and I think that kind of gets lost in the mix, and I think that's why we have so much difference in the world. My moral compass is pretty simple for me. My faith in the Lord is what guides me. He's my true north. I feel like every decision I have, if I think about what He would want me to do, everything really falls into place and it becomes very clear to me. My family has instilled in me these values, beliefs, and qualities from a young age, and they've become a part of my moral compass. And I grabbed the golden rule out of Men's 2018. I think that definitely applies here, and it applies to my moral compass as well. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Why we should lead with a moral compass. People need to be able to trust you in your word and leadership. We can use it to make important ethical decisions, and it is part of our moral obligation to put people first, respect individual dignity, treat others fairly, and to be honest. Here are my references, and here's my correlation, relevancy, and reflection statements. I will let you pause the video and read those on your own if you'd like. Thank you for viewing and have a great day.